So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down everything that I've learned in real estate. Welcome to my channel, To the Top Real Estate Coaching. Hey, what's up, everybody? Just wanted to share my thoughts that I had this morning on one of my team calls as far as wrapping up and having a summary on quarter one. So a couple things to think about. First of all, did you achieve your goals? Did you achieve your earning goals in Q1? So that's the first thing to think to yourself when reflecting back. What successes did you have in Q1? Because I think that is absolutely huge. I think everybody should always look back and celebrate their success versus only focus on what we can do better. So when looking at Q1, look at how much you made in Q1. What were your earnings in Q1? Now take that number and look at it throughout the whole year, which is timesing it by 4. Does that get you to pace where you need to be pacing for your 2023 income goal that you set at the first of the year? So this is how it goes through my head. And this is something to think about, where if you're one of the ones and you're thinking, I made X amount. If I pace that every quarter, that doesn't get me towards my goal. So a lot of people, they go by the saying, which is let me send that to voicemail. But a lot of people go through the saying where they say, don't ever change the goal. You just want to change the plan. Something I really want everybody to think about is a lot of people don't need to change the plan to hit their goal. They just need to execute on the plan day in and day out. So if you're not where you want to be, go back and look at the plan that you set at the first of the year. I'd imagine everybody did this. They set a plan and then they set what actions are going to take to be able to achieve that plan. Now ask yourself, did you execute that plan 100% every single day? I think if most reflect back, you'll realize that you did not implement that plan and you do not execute as what you need to do to be able to see the goal, to be able to see that come to fruition. So it's usually not lack of a good plan, or now you need to change it. Now you need to think of something else. No, what it is just executing the original plan that you had in place. Because if you're not going back and making sure that you execute that plan 100% and you implement that moving forward at full force, a lot of people that I talk to that are in real estate right now, they're thinking about, do I want to go get a steady source of income? Do I want to get another job until quote unquote real estate picks up, right? Because it has been a slow first quarter. So we all know that we have to grind more, we have to do more, we have to stick with our plan 100% so we don't have any type of hiccup or any type of slow time and able to meet our 2023 earning goal. So if you're now starting to already look at other jobs, think of what else can I do for income? You already have one foot out. And in this career, if you already have one foot out, I often tell people being 99% committed to real estate usually isn't much better than 40% or 50%. You have to be 100% committed, or failure is going to be right around the corner. So if you're one of the ones that your Q1 is not trending towards a year you want, this is what I recommend. Take a look, reevaluate your plan that you set for this year. Take 20 minutes. Go through it, rate everything that you said that you were going to do on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 being you executed every single day, 1 meaning you didn't do it all. I imagine a lot of the items are going to be somewhere in between. So then think of what you're going to do starting right when this video ends. How are you going to hold yourself accountable to implement each of those every single day at a full 10? Do that for 60 days. Once 60 days hits, put that in your calendar. Put 60 days in your calendar. Once it hits, now go back and look. What does your pipeline look like? Has it increased? Okay. If you execute 100%, your pipeline has not increased, your deal volume has not increased. That's when you need to start reevaluating and looking for a new plan. So anyway, I hope this helped. I hope everybody achieves their goals in 2023. If you're a little bit behind, Now you need to buckle down. This is where it really, really, really counts as right now to be able to make up a lost quarter or a slow quarter in the next 3, but you have to act now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's something that you feel stuck out that you didn't do or you want to do and you want to be accountable, comment below what you're going to do. I will follow up with you in 60 days to see if you did it. As always, if you like this content, please please subscribe, reach out to me directly if you're in Utah and you're interested in being part of our team. If you're outside of Utah, you have any questions or any way I can do to help, please reach out via email. It's in the bio. I'd love to help. We'll see you at the top.